Today I am going to be filming a bunch of stuff. I have sponsored content that I need to get done, and I just need to like get some Instagram videos, just everything. You guys also might be wondering, where am I right now? I am in my boyfriend's studio. Andre makes music, so he has his own little space to do that, and we've worked really hard to build this home studio. So I don't want to do an official tour, but I will give you guys a little tour today so you can see where he works, and I don't know, it looks really cool. It's kind of like something out of Harry Potter slash Wakanda slash, I don't know. Yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys the studio because it's just been like a long process. This wasn't even a room when we first moved in here. It was just the attic, and we've put walls up. I decorated and surprised him for his birthday last year, and I'm actually really proud of myself, I will say, because the decorating is amazing.
Oh, man. Please stop!
It's out my ear. I think of that scene from Menace Society.
Oh, yeah.
That's
That's great.
I think you guys should be able to let it go.
Yeah, I think we might be able to. Yeah.
It's real, guys.
That's the first one. This is it. They don't turn it back now.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw. Yeah, bitch, I play red raw. Yeah.
I figured we should document, you know?
What should I do about it? I'm sort of scared to go to bed tonight. I know. Don't sleep. Can't dream if you don't sleep.
Told me that I drove you crazy. Come see what that's like. Ooh, that shit sounds so motherfucking fire. God damn.
My favorite part about this space is actually the ceiling. So I took fabric and kind of draped it so it looked like a tapestry. And I poked holes into the fabric, and when you turn the light on, the light is underneath the fabric, so it kind of shines through and looks like stars. Where's Iggy? Look at Iggy sleeping on the bed. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. He never listens to me. Iggy. Oh yeah, stretch it out.
Hi. Hello. Are you taking a nap? Did I wake you up? Oh, I'm sorry. Hi. Say hello to the camera. He's like, leave me alone. What is wrong with you?
Alright, so I just got a phone call that my new phone came in. So I ordered the iPhone XS Max, I think it's called. So like the big new iPhone. And it finally came in. They didn't have any in store when I first went in to buy it. So I'm gonna head over to the Sprint store real quick to pick that up. And then I'm gonna run back home and edit this vlog and hope that I get it up by 7 p.m. because I promised you guys that it would be up. So wish me luck. If I make it, then you're watching this right now and it's 7 o'clock and I did what I said I was gonna do and I'm proud of myself. If you're watching this and it's past 7 o'clock, yeah.